So you can imagine in like a real manufacturing facility, this could be entire different departments. You know, you could have 20 of these machines actually be machining out parts, CNC machines be machining parts. You know, there could be 20 of them, and then you can have your anything in another department, and then your assembly could be its own operation. So I do want y'all to walk up real quick with me right here. So you just heard that kind of clunk noise. So first of all, I've got a part here. I was playing around with the cell, so I didn't place it all the way right in there. I actually need to touch up that point and fix it. But the dice are dispensed out randomly right there. So what did we kind of learn about when y'all set up the programs, right? Those robots are going to go right to the points where you talk, right? So for this, those are going to be random every time. So if I talk those points, well, the next time it may be different. So it's actually going to use this camera to go down and locate where those dice are at, and then it's going to load them into our blank there. So we can step back, spread that out here, and then watch that go down and pick from those parts there. We saw it snap down, took that picture. Now it's going to place each individual dice into the little hole there. These robots are really unique. They actually have, I mentioned end-of-arm tools. So on these robots, we have the individual gripper. This one actually has 3 different end-of-arm tools. It has the metal grippers there. It has the suction cup gripper, the little red piece, and then it actually has the camera. So we're really getting the value out of these robots. They can do multiple things, not just one operation there. So I'm going to keep following this down. So this is our packaging station. So it's actually going to take a box. It's going to place that part into a box. So it'll do the full process. It'll take the lid off. It'll place the part in there, and then it'll repackage it before it moves it on to the final station, which is palletized. So once we have the assembled part, the next step is taking that part, putting it on a pallet, getting it ready for shipping. And so that's what it's doing here. This one also has the 2D camera integrated. So there is a QR code on that pallet. So on the back end, I can go in here and say, you know, I need 2 of part 1, 3 of part 2, maybe 4 of part 5, something like that. And it'll place it on different pallets. And so I'll just put inventory item 1 in here, and so it's going to take that and place it onto the pallet here. And then again, you know, that's the full process. So with this whole line, we took a raw part, we machined it out, we took that machined part, we etched the logo onto it, we then took that part, we assembled the dice into the kit, packaged that part up, and then palletized it, ready to go out for shipping. And so again, end-to-end, fully automated